Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your equity investments with Wells Fargo, beginner guide step by step clearly. Understanding how to protect your equity investments is crucial for any beginner. Wells Fargo offers resources to help you manage your investments wisely. First, log into your Wells Fargo investment account. If you don't have an account, create one by providing the necessary personal information. Once logged in, navigate to the investment section of your account. Familiarize yourself with the different types of equity investments available. Consider diversifying your portfolio to manage risk effectively. Wells Fargo provides research tools to help evaluate different stocks. Use these tools to analyze a company's fundamentals and market position. Next, establish clear investment goals. Decide if you're looking for long-term growth or short-term gains. Utilize stop-loss orders to protect against significant losses. A stop-loss order automatically sells your shares when they reach a certain price. Make sure to regularly review your investment strategy. Market conditions can change, so adjust your portfolio as necessary. Consider setting up alerts for price changes on your equity investments. This can help you stay informed about market movements. Seek advice from a Wells Fargo financial advisor if needed. They can provide personalized strategies based on your financial situation. Lastly, stay educated about the market and investment principles. Continuous learning can empower you to make informed decisions. By following these steps, you can better protect your equity investments with the support of Wells Fargo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.